It has been nearly 2 decades since Toyota launched its segment-defining hybrid. Gasoline-electric powertrains are commonplace now, but Toyota has taken steps to make sure its Prius still stands out. This compact hatch features an extremely unusual, somewhat cartoon-like exterior that feels it was not possible to dismiss in trader lots and organic grocery co-ops alike. The busy, unremittingly angular sheet metal handles a comfy if largely unimpressive interior and an eco-friendly powertrain that Prius estimates can deserve up to 58 miles per gallon in the town in its most efficient Prius 2 Eco guise. The Prius offers relatively limited in the way of driving relish. Its smooth journey and predictable steer responses can't eclipse the facts of the case that it requires fully 10.5 seconds to start from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The Prius is the elder statesman of the hybrid segment, but upstarts such as the Hyundai Ioniq and the Kia Niro present meaningful rival. What's new for 2018? The Prius remains largely unaltered for 2018, differentiating to simulate times with simply modest updates after a 2016 redesign. The only change this year is that an 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system is now available in the upper 4 and 4 Touring trimmings. That system was cribbed from the new 4-2017 Prius Prime and is intended to help the Prius compare favorably with more upscale electric vehicles such as Tesla's Model S and Model 3. What was new for 2017? The Prius was unchanged for 2017 after a comprehensive overhaul for the 2016 simulate year. Those changes included upgrading the nickel metal hydride battery jam pack to lighter, industry-standard lithium-ion batteries in the majority modelings, a rewritten back suspension for an improved journey, and, of course, that eyebrow-raising exterior redesign. A 2 Eco model incorporates minor tweaks to deserve a 58 mpg EPA rating in the city compared against high-standards cars' still impressive 54. The Prius Prime plug-in hybrid, reviewed separately, was a new addition to the lineup in 2017. Choosing the Prius that's right for you will depend on your priorities. The Prius 2 Eco starting at $26,060, a half step up from the 2 Simulate, incorporates several detailed tweaks to squeeze out an additional 4 mixed mpg according to the EPA compared with the base Simulate, and is a no-brainer for those who are focused solely on gasoline economy. We're accustomed to a few more creature comforts, nonetheless, so we'd opt for the Prius 3, which is fourth from the bottom in the Prius's 7 trim line-up. That Simulate starts at $27,630 and adds the following to the roster of standard features: in-tune premium audio with navigation and better access to Toyota's in-tune app suite, Qi-compatible wireless smartphone charging, soft-touch synthetic leather steering wheel with audio command buttons. Synthetic leather look benches are available in the 3 Touring model, but at $29,010 that trim moves the total rate close to $30,000. That's a tidy sum for a vehicle that uses undisguised plastic as its primary interior trim element.